Okay, now we're going to look at the meat and potatoes of the whole evaluation, which is the actual evaluation template. And putting together this annual agency evaluation template, I tried to be as concise as possible, but at the same time ensure that all the information was there to be reviewed so that the agency could do one meeting one time and knock out all the regulations for the annual evaluation, policies and procedures, quality management program, and emergency preparedness plan. So what this is one document. It's 12 pages in length. A couple of the pages are like the title page here, the agenda, a summary of the meeting minutes, the sign-off page. So not all of it is going to be the review process, but it's an all-inclusive document, except for the annual operating budget, which we will get to that as well to take a look at that. But the purpose of this video here is to just to give you an overview of what the evaluation looks like and what the different components are. So we are on the first page, the annual evaluation page, where you insert your logo at the top. And then again, this is for Class B non-medical home care agencies. And then below that, it looks at the two large sections of the evaluation. Section 1 is the actual operations review. So here in the operations review, we're going to look at the governing body, the agency manager, any supervisors, the personal care workers or caregivers. We're going to review some components of the agency operations. Then we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of the policies and procedures review, quality management program, emergency preparedness plan, and then we're going to look at an annual operating budget. In section 2, this is where we're going to record our minutes from the meeting. We're going to type up an evaluation summary that's going to go along and summarize just how the whole meeting went for the annual evaluation. And then last is just the signature sign-off page so you can record who attended the meeting. If we scroll down a little bit more, we've seen this before previously, but this is more for a surveyor to review to say that this meets the compliance for the annual agency review, the policies and procedures review, quality management program, and emergency preparedness. So by completing this document and signing off on it, it will in effect have accomplished 4 different types of reviews that are required by CDPHE.